You won't believe how EverTrust Bank has evolved in 2026. Most people assume banks are either old school with clunky systems or digital only with limited services. EverTrust strikes a balance, offering traditional banking security with modern digital tools. Checking and savings accounts at EverTrust are designed for accessibility and growth. Their savings accounts feature competitive, tiered interest rates, and automatic transfers make it easy to save without thinking about it. The surprising truth is that even small, consistent deposits can compound significantly over time, something many casual savers overlook. The EverTrust mobile app is intuitive and secure, allowing you to monitor transactions, set spending alerts, and transfer funds instantly. Budgeting tools and goal tracking are integrated directly into the app, helping you stay on track and motivated. Most people underestimate the value of seeing visual progress toward financial goals that turn saving into a habit rather than a chore. EverTrust also provides strong security features, including multi-factor authentication, real-time fraud alerts, and encryption. Customer support is available through the app or by phone, so you always have help if needed. The limitation: EverTrust isn't focused on investment products or advanced financial planning tools. But if your priority is reliable banking, growth-focused savings, and an easy-to-use digital experience, it's hard to beat. So, is EverTrust Bank worth it in 2026? Yes, for anyone who wants secure, modern banking with practical tools to grow their money and manage daily finances efficiently. Subscribe for more finance reviews that help you make smarter decisions with your money.